Hey everybody, this is Tom. I'm in downtown Denver and we got gusts to about 50 miles an hour. So you can see the flag over there. It's ripping. Oh, something just blew off the building. Wow. Not sure what that was. Didn't look like it hit anybody. But anyway, pretty windy down here. They call it a red flag warning, which makes you wonder if we're gonna have some fires up in the hill country. But we've had a lot of snow lately, so hopefully it's wet enough we don't have any big problems. Anyway, come visit.